Hello, I'm Piero Molino from Uber AI Labs, and what I'm going to present to you is a joint work with Huaixiu Zheng and Yi-Chia Wang from Applied Machine Learning team at Uber. The system that I'm going to talk about is called COTA, Customer Obsession Ticket Assistant, and it's a system for improving the speed and accuracy of customer support through ranking and deep networks. The main takeaways from our work is that we developed two different systems, COTA V1, which is a classical NLP and machine learning model that provides faster and more accurate customer care experience and help us saving millions of dollars. And COTA V2, based on deep learning models, that provides a 20% performance improvement over COTA V1. This is a screenshot of the interface that our customer support representatives see every day. When a new ticket arrives, they have several tasks they have to perform. The two tasks that we will focus our attention on are contact type classification, which is basically deciding which contact type to assign to this specific ticket, selecting it from more than 1,000 different paths into a tree of different contact types, and reply template selection, where the customer support representatives have to select among thousands of different pre-canned templates to use for their answers, and we surface the most relevant ones with respect to the ticket. This is the initial pipeline that we experimented with in COTA V1. It's a multi-class classification machine learning model where we use some user information, some trip information, some ticket information, both in terms of the ticket message and the ticket metadata, in order to do the top three classification of both the contact types and the reply templates. Because we have many different classes and because each of them has some additional information that is provided, for instance, the textual content of the templates themselves, what they end up implementing is a binary classification that also uses class prototypes as inputs, and the scores from this binary classification are used for ranking the different contact types and reply templates. In COTA V2, we actually adopted deep learning architectures, and we encoded text features like the message through convolutional layers. We encoded categorical features through embedding layers. We encoded numerical features, passing them through some batch norm. And we also added some binary features, like if the trip is completed or not, for instance. We concatenate all those features and pass them through several fully connected layers with dropout, and use a recurrent decoder for predicting the full path from the root node to the leaf node in the contact type hierarchy. And we also predict the reply with a softmax classifier that takes as input also the type that we are predicting. At training time, we can actually use the true contact types for training the softmax layer of the reply classifier. But at test time, we actually use the predicted contact type from the other head of the model. In our datasets, both COTA V1 and COTA V2 perform pretty well, but in particular, COTA V2 can provide about 20% relative improvement over COTA V1 in terms of both accuracy in classifying types, in classifying replies, and also in particular in the combined task of classifying both at the same time. Thank you for your attention, and please read the paper if you want more details.